Find or read reviews that people are talking about GLB Wireless Earbuds. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 4 mics and stereo sound quality. Each wireless earbud has built-in 2 microphones. 4 dedicated microphones can achieve precise voice pickup and isolate external environmental noise through algorithms. Make sure other people hear your voice clearly. Get clear calls anywhere you go, giving you an immersive listening experience. 60 hours playtime and stereo and mono mode. The impressive 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, Q32 Bluetooth headphones get a total of 60 hours of uninterrupted music playback. The wireless headphones can switch seamlessly between stereo and mono mode. Both earbuds can work together or be used separately. Built-in dual LED power display make it more clear to show the battery power of the case and wireless headphones. Comfortable design and IPX7 waterproof. These sport wireless earphones are ergonomically designed to provide a snug fit while ensuring fatigue-free and long-lasting comfort. The flexible ear hooks snugly fit your ears without falling out even for intense workouts. There are ear tips in 3 sizes, S, M, L, for your choice to get the most suitable fit. The IPX7 waterproof design protects your wireless headset from sweat and splashes, which is ideal for sports, gym, workout, hiking and more. Bluetooth 5.3 and auto pairing. The Bluetooth 5.3 chip ensure that the Bluetooth headphones connects quickly and stably within 15 meters. Pictures and wireless earphones sound are synchronized to take you better using experience. After pairing the devices for the first time, the headphones will automatically connect when you take them out of the charging case. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.